What the fuck? What the hell, man?
National Weather Service for the following county: Glenn, California.
Well, you guys fucked that up.
National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
God, that caught me off guard.
County in Central California until 3:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:58 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Juneau, 8 miles northwest of Willows, moving east at 10 miles per hour. The storm will move to near Interstate 5 over the next hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Funnel clouds. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Orland, Willows, Artois, and Blooming. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Significant hail accumulation is likely with this storm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Glenn, California. California, Butte, Coosa, and Glenn. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning
God damn it.
Coosa County in Central California, southwestern Butte County in Northern California, southeastern Glenn County in Central California until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:12 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Willows, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Willows, Glen, Bloom, Butte City, and Codorna. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.